Hi, today we are going to recap the physiology of wound healing. Wound healing is a complex process in which the skin and tissue under it repair themselves after injury. In this video lecture, we will try to make this topic as simple as possible. Should you wish to have a further reading on wound healing, many books are available. As in this video, most of the sources are from Ross and Wilson book on anatomy and physiology. At the end of this video lecture, you should be able to understand the structure and characteristic of the skin. The second objective is to describe the physiology of wound healing. Skin is the largest organ of the body and consists of two layers, the epidermis and dermis, that are supported by a number of underlying structures. This organ has a multiple function. It is a barrier between the external environment and internal organ. The thickness of skin, it varies depends on the location. Some locations, such as the sole of the feet, have a thickness is greater compared to the skin on the palm of the hand. It varies between 0.5 mm to 4 mm. Skin is a very dynamic organ. The outer layer continuously shaped and replaced by the inner moving surface. And new skin replaced for every 35 to 45 days. Your skin is acidic in nature, which is between 4 to 6.5. This diagram is to show how our skin when it was illustrated nicely. Take a look on this picture. Take your time. Now, skin can be divided into three mini layers: epidermis, dermis, and hypodermis. And epidermis can further divided into 5 sublayers. The basal layer is the innermost layer of epidermis and contains basal cells that continuously divide and push the old cell to the skin surface where they shed. Epidermis can be further divided into 5 sublayers: stratum corneum, stratum granulosum, stratum spinosum, stratum basal, and stratum lucidum. This picture is an illustration of the 5 sublayers of epidermis. This is the skin surface. Start with the first layer, stratum corneum, stratum granulosum, stratum spinosum. This is the stratum basal and stratum lucidum. Stratum basal and stratum lucidum divide or distinguish the epidermis layer and the dermis layer.